If Lightroom is acting weird, slow, or you just want to start fresh, this video will show you exactly how to reset Lightroom the right way. We're going to cover two quick methods. First, how to reset edits on a single photo, and second, how to reset Lightroom preferences to fix bugs and performance issues. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Let's start with method 1, resetting all edits on one photo. This is the fastest way to remove every adjustment you've made to a specific image. Open Lightroom and select the photo you want to reset. Once the image is open, you can press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, and Lightroom will remove the edits from that photo. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also right-click the image in the film strip, scroll down, and choose Reset Edits. Either way, this clears the adjustments for that photo only, so your other images stay unchanged. This is perfect if you over-edited a picture, want to start over, or just need to compare the original look again. Now let's move to method 2, resetting Lightroom preferences. This is the method to use if Lightroom is glitching, freezing, opening slowly, or behaving the wrong way. First, close Lightroom completely. Make sure the app is fully shut down before you continue. Next, hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard, then open Lightroom while still holding those keys. Keep holding them until the Reset Preferences prompt appears. When Lightroom asks you to confirm, choose Reset Preferences. This will refresh the app settings and can help fix a lot of common issues without touching your photos. And here's the important part. Resetting preferences does not delete your cloud photos, and it does not remove your edits from synced images. It mainly resets app settings like the interface, cache behavior, and other local preferences. So if you're worried about losing work, this method is safe for your photo library. So to recap, use Ctrl+R or Reset Edits for a single photo, and use Shift+Alt on launch if you want to reset Lightroom's preferences and fix bugs. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and I'll see you in the next one.